Welcome to Wixie. You are going to love how creative your students can be. Over the next few minutes, this tour will show you where to find some of the features you are probably most interested in. It is not all-encompassing, but we want to make the most of your precious time. This video opened in a new tab, so you can pause it at any time and return to the Wixie tab to explore on your own. So let's get started. After logging in, use the plus icon on the top of the page to add your students. You will be directed to the Student Accounts page. Use the orange plus button on the right of your screen to add a student. Type their first name, last name, a username, a unique password, and we recommend that you have a unique one for each of your students. Use the pull-down menu to select a grade, and then select the Save button. Every student that you add will automatically be added to your class. And when you're ready to add a new student, simply click the plus sign again. Once you have added students, they will show on the Students page. This is where you will be able to see all the work that they do in Wixie. Anytime you need to add or edit students, use the account icon in the upper right-hand corner to choose student accounts. In the Students tab, on the left-hand side, you will see a unique Wixie web address that your students will use to log into Wixie. On this page, students can log in with either their personal QR code or by selecting their name and entering their password. At the My Students page, there is also a Print User Cards option that will allow you to print small cards with each student's QR code on them or a full sheet of instructions. To email instructions on how to log in, choose the Student Settings button at the bottom of the screen. Select a student and choose the Email button for the user card. Enter the email address and choose Send. Use the New button to create a new Wixie project. You can choose to make a landscape or portrait project and even start a project by taking a picture with your camera. When Wixie opens to a blank page, you don't need to explore everything, but definitely use the image, text, and video options at the top to add these media elements. You may also want to explore the tools on the right side of the palette, including recording a sound, adding paint to the page, or even adding an image as a background for a digital story. Wixie is used with students from preschool to high school. As a teacher, you can quickly switch between a standard or primary theme. Simply select the account icon on the right and choose Switch Theme. The primary theme offers brighter colors, larger buttons, and a streamlined feature set. You can choose which theme each of your students will use. Select the account icon and choose Settings. On your Settings page, scroll to the Look and Feel section. Use the My Preferences pull-down to choose Class 1. To change all of the students in this class to the primary theme, click the Primary Radio button in the theme area. While you're in Settings, explore the other options you have for Wixie, including what grade level templates you want to see, whether students can collaborate as teams, and what standards you might want to use. Students can work on Wixie projects in teams with other students. After creating a new project, select the Team button. You will see a list of the students in the class, and you can use the toggle switches to add students to a team. Select Save when the team is complete. The team project you created will automatically save in your My Projects folder. When a student creates a team project, it will automatically show up in the Team Projects folder for the other students. As a teacher, you are also automatically added to any team project started by your students. Open the Templates folder on the left to explore thousands of cross-curricular templates in Wixie's curriculum library. Browse the folders and subfolders to find templates that will match the learning goals that you have for all of your students. Use the search field at the top to quickly search for templates using keywords such as comprehension or addition. To assign a template to your students, choose the 3 buttons next to the file and choose Assign. At the New Assignment dialog, choose the date range that you would like your template to be available for your students. And then you can choose whether you would like select students to receive this or all students. And then choose the Save button. When students log into Wixie, as this student has done, they will see any new projects that have been assigned to them in their My Projects folder under New Assignments. Students will be able to immediately open up the template and begin working in Wixie to complete the assignment. You can see everything your students create in Wixie without students needing to submit or turn in their assignments. Simply select the Students button and select a student to view their work. Once students have a lot of projects, you can filter this list to make it a lot easier to manage. Use the Show pull-down menu to filter the project list by assignment, date range, project name, or standard. Click a student project to be able to view the whole project, or provide feedback, view standards, grade, share, download the project, or print the project out. There's a lot more to Wixie, but at this point, I'm sure you're eager to get started. Happy creating!